Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and then click on manage your Google account. Now click on data and privacy, and here you have to scroll down and click on delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. Now you have to scroll down and here you have to check these two checkboxes and then click delete account. And now your account should be removed, so now let's recover it by opening, for example, Google Play Store or any other app that requires you to sign in, and then click sign in. Now you have to enter your email address, then click next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so let's click next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. Now click I agree. And here you have to scroll down and click accept. And as you can see, my account is now restored and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.